In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an email send address to Flodesk. If you're using Flodesk to communicate with your customers or subscribers, you may want to add a specific email address that your messages will be sent from. This can help keep your email communication organized and make sure your messages are associated with the address you want to use. To get started, open Flodesk and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small circle icon. Click on this icon to open the account menu. When the drop-down menu appears, look for Email Setup and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can manage the email sending settings for your Flodesk account. Inside the Email Setup section, look for the Add Sender button. Click on Add Sender to begin adding your new sending address. You'll then be able to enter the sender information. Enter the From Sender name and the From email address that you want to use. Make sure the information is entered correctly before continuing, since the email address will need to be verified. Once you've entered the required information, click Save. After saving, Flodesk will send a confirmation email to the email address you entered. Open the confirmation email and click the verification link provided inside it. After clicking the confirmation link, the page should refresh and confirm that your email sending address has been verified. At this point, the address has been successfully added and verified within your Flodesk account. There is one additional detail to keep in mind. Depending on the email providers you're sending messages to, you may also need to authenticate your domain. Some major email providers require domain authentication to help verify that your emails are coming from an authorized sender. If your domain is not authenticated, you may see a notice in Flodesk indicating that domain authentication is still required. This is separate from verifying the individual email sending address, so make sure you follow the appropriate domain authentication process if Flodesk indicates that it's necessary. Also, keep in mind that the exact appearance of Flodesk may change depending on the version of the platform you're using. You may see slightly different menus or labels, but look for the Account menu, Email Setup, and Add Sender. So to recap, open Flodesk, click the circle icon, select Email Setup, choose Add Sender, enter the sender name and email address, and click Save. Then open the confirmation email and use the verification link to complete the process. And that's how you can add and verify an email sending address in Flodesk.